Good afternoon, children. Today's subject EVS 1, and this is part 2 of the lesson, as already we have done part 1 of the lesson in our last video. I will be responsible and sensitive. Continue part 2. Now, children, responsibility towards people with special needs. Some people have physical handicaps because of illnesses or accident, or they may be born with them. They suffer many inconveniences and much discomfort at public places. That is why they are in need of special services and assistance. Do you know we have been successful in eradicating polio in our country? The World Health Organization has praised India for this achievement. Since the campaign against polio was carried out with dedication over many years, the disease was eradicated. What is the phrase "दो बूंद जिंदगी के" related to? Children, do you know a robot taking care of a patient? Nowadays, in many hospitals abroad, robots are used for the service and aid of patients. Children, will it be fun to have robots work for you, or will it be boring with no other human beings present? Now, in this picture, children, you can see a blind man walking with a stick. You may have seen a blind person with a white cane walking along the street. Blind people can walk about in public places freely with the help of the white cane. In some buildings, the floor numbers on lifts are written in braille that helps a blind person to go to any floor they wish without help. A blind person can also vote secretly like other citizens because of braille signs on voting machines. In schools, universities, and in some other buildings, you may have seen a concrete slope next to the chairs. This slope is called a ramp. The ramp makes it possible for people in the wheelchairs to enter the building. Some buildings also have special toilets for people in wheelchairs. These facilities exist so that people with special needs can live their daily lives easily. However, these facilities are not available everywhere. We must treat people with special needs with care, whether this facility exists in public places or not. Now you can see in this picture, this girl is helping the blind person by reading a story to him. As he is able to listen, so she is reading a story for him. And here he is not able to walk, but he can play with his friends indoor games. Now children, this is the braille alphabet and numbers. It is used by the blind person. They use these alphabets and numbers to learn. Now children, those who are deaf and dumb, they use sign languages to communicate with each other. Now people who cannot hear use sign language. They are also taught how to lip read, to follow what other people are saying. They can follow other people's speech if they speak slowly and clearly. Special sign news programs are broadcast on television for people who cannot hear. Thank you, children.